Legendary Jamaican producer and singer Lee Scratch Perry, OD, has died. Perry was known for his innovative studio techniques and production style, and has contributed immensely to the Jamaican musical landscape. He was a pioneer in the 1970s development of dub music, with his early adoption of remixing and studio effects to create new instrumental or vocal versions of existing reggae tracks. He also worked with many musical greats, including Bob Marley and the Wailers, with involvement in productions such as Small Axe, Dopey Conqueror, Jah Live, Punky Reggae Party, and Rastaman Live Up. Perry died this morning. He was 85 years old.